Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the next text with the help of slideshows. Abasaheb Kakade Junior College Shevgaon welcomes you in this video. This is video related to the subject English Standard 12th, text 3.2, mind mapping, video created by Srimati Pujari Fiji. Students, we turn towards the next slide. Whenever we think about mind mapping, the first question comes in our mind, what is mind mapping? And here we have answer of this question. A mind map is a graphical way to represent the ideas and concept. Students, mind map is a graphical way to represent the idea and concept. Whatever idea and concept we have, or whatever lecture we have attended, we write that particular information, or if we have read any particular chapter, we write notes in the form of various graphs, or if we have any idea related to that area, whatever information we have, just we put down, we write down that particular information in various graphical forms, and this is nothing but mind map. Then second point is that it is a visual thinking tool that helps structuring information, helping you to better analyze, comprehend, synthesize, recall and generate new ideas. Students, when we write this particular information, or when we write about any particular idea, concept in the form of various graphical forms, at that time it helps us to understand in a better way, as well as it helps us to analyze in a better way. And students, one more important thing, whenever we write such information in various graphical forms, it is easy to remember us, it is easy to recall us, and this generate new ideas. Then third point related to mind mapping is, just as in every great idea, its power lies in its simplicity. Students, it is not important that you have to use new words or very long words while speaking with each other, but as you use a simple words, it becomes very easy to understand. And so it is very simple way to represent that particular idea or concept, and whenever we write anything in a simple way, it is very easy to understand for us. Then we turn towards the next. In the next slide we have given examples of mind mapping. Now students, first example of mind mapping, here the central idea is wedding. Then we have other sub ideas, sub sections, sub points related to the central idea, that is wedding, and those points are guests and food, then romance, ceremony. Again, related to the ceremony, we have two sub branches, vows and parents. Next point is my dress, taking pictures, cameras, video shooting, all these points are come under the point my dress. Now here we have another example of mind mapping activity. See carefully, we have the picture of sports, and sports is the central idea of this particular mind mapping graphical form. Here we have various type of sports. For example, we have individual sport, or we have sports, we have water sports, or we have other games which we play with our friends, or we can call it as a team sports. Okay, so this is the mind mapping activity related to the sport. Another example we have, students, in this picture you can see the picture of an apple, and in that apple we have written one word, that is health. Means this is the mind mapping activity related to our health. And here related to the health, we have other sub branches, that is stress, exercise, health, diet, sleep. Then for those branches again we have number of sub branches. Okay, So this is how we have mind mapping activities. Students, these are all examples of mind mapping. Study this particular video once again, and if you have any doubts, just read those notes which I have given you in the first two slides. Then you will understand what is meant by mind mapping. But in a simple way, mind mapping is nothing but representation of information in the form of graphs. So this is about mind mapping activity. Hope you understand this particular concept, mind mapping. Study it well, read from your textbook, and then you will get detailed idea about mind mapping activity. Till then we will stop.